YouTube. So I decided to start a vlog today because I think today is going to be really fun. I'm currently editing my YouTube channel because the last time I updated it was like 2 years ago and it was totally not me, so I'm trying to like make it more me. I'm currently also vlogging with my phone because I am not about to carry a big chunky camera outside the house. And I'm going over to my friend Aurora's house to film a video because we're gonna get ready together, so I decided why not film that, just like a little get ready with us. So we're gonna do that, and I'm just waiting for my car to get back because my dad's currently using it. Really excited. I'm really excited to start vlogging again, and I hope that I keep this up. I am gonna try my best to keep this up. I am not gonna slack off anymore. I'm just gonna keep doing this because I really want to share my life to you guys. I really want to share my life on the internet and just make memories, and I think it'll be really fun. And considering that I also want to be out there, and I think self-confidence is the most important key, I think being on YouTube is gonna help me boost my confidence and my self-esteem. So yeah, stay tuned for today. There's gonna be a lot more coming. Okay, so I just posted a new video right there. It's the only video because all the videos I had I deleted, so those are all not deleted, but those are all my old videos and I made them all private. But the newest one is public, so make sure to go check that out. And this is, I'm currently customizing my channel and making it a lot more me. So I edited my header and all that stuff, and my about page, all my links are linked here, and my email, so it's all good, all working out, and hopefully you guys enjoy my newest video. Does anyone else's dog sleep like this? What is happening? You guys okay? So I am going to run some errands first. I'm gonna grab coffee, I'm gonna drop off some stuff to my uncle, and then we're heading over to my friend's house. So like lately I've been in a funk where I'm very confident. Like I'm a very confident, not very, like I'm an outgoing person, but the problem is when it comes to social media, like posting YouTube videos and stuff, I can't do it. I can't let any of the people that know me know about the videos that I post, because like I get too shy and like I just feel like they're gonna judge me and shit. Sorry, I'm like grabbing my glasses. Don't copy this, kids. It's like when I post videos, I don't like to let anyone know about it. I just like to keep it to myself. I just get so shy. I just get really shy, and I don't know, it's just like, it's really weird because I'd rather have strangers watch me than like my actual friends and family. I just prefer to let strangers watch me, like people who don't know me personally watch me. I don't know, it's just weird. Like that's just how I am, to be honest with you. Like I get really shy because I feel like I'm gonna get teased or gonna get made fun of or bullied and stuff like that. Like that's basically the main reason why I don't tell anyone. I only show my best friend my videos, but that's about it. I just got to Starbucks. This is so crooked. I'm sorry if like the camera is like really bad right now. I haven't had breakfast yet. This is like basically the first thing I'm having today, which is bad. But these glasses are too big on my face. They're just like fallen over. Can I please get the grande salted cream cold foam cold brew? And then can I also have like a regular iced coffee with almond milk and 4 Splendors? I can't wait to show you guys what I do today. We're going to a concert. The person we're going to see is Niall Horan. the dude from One Direction, but to be honest with you, I didn't even know that he made songs. That I don't even know any of his songs. Like, I'm just going because it was a free ticket. But I'm not really like I don't really know much about him. Like, I was never really a big fan of One Direction. I'm just going just cause I'm bored. I only know what he looks like. I'm gonna put some lip balm because my lips are so chapped. I really wish I had my vlogging camera with me already. This is frustrating. I can't even listen to music because I'm using my phone. I'm listening to the radio. So we're gonna grab our coffee and then head over to my friend's house. Hi. No, thank you. You too. Now we're heading off to my friend's house. Hello. We just got to Aurora's place. This is Aurora. Hi. Follow her on Instagram.
Ouring at
And this is
Ouring.
Nyla. Filming our get ready with us. Okay, we'll see you soon. We forgot to vlog.
That's the worst.
How bad of a vlogger are you to forget to vlog the most important
we can
part of your
always
night?
start on the fair though.
I mean, but we have like Snapchats. I mean, we could show the Snapchats we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the show just finished. We're on our way to our car and drive home.
We only like know 3 songs, to be honest.
I know 2 songs. That's it.
All I know is 3 songs. That's it. But it was lit though. We just get carried away. We
I
should have vlogged. We were only sitting
I feel
down.
so bad because like we forgot to vlog the most important part of our night.
Hello.
Oh, she's on the phone. BRB.
Nah.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi. Bye. What up?
We're already on our way home. We forgot to vlog.
Are we even really vloggers?
Good morning, YouTube. It's not good morning anymore. It's 12 p.m. Same vlog, new day. And I'm laying next to my dog. So today my friends and I are planning to go to San Pedro to just walk around, explore. I think I'm gonna start editing my footage, my vlog footage from yesterday. I forgot to vlog most of the day yesterday. I just got too distracted. And I'm sorry, I'm still trying to get used to this vlogging lifestyle. I have to get ready really soon because I have class at 2:30 and I also need to shower. I have 2 videos to edit, this vlog and the get ready with me and Aurora video. Yeah, I just finished my classes. So now I'm getting ready to go out. We talked about leaving my house at 3 and it's already 2:51 and I'm only now getting ready, which sucks, but I have to do my classes. Everyone was already getting ready and I was still like talking to my teacher about the classes and stuff and I'm just like, hold up, I'm not ready yet. Say hi to the vlog.
What up? Oh,
What's up?
Dance, I make money moves. If I see you now, I speak. Now I'm down for you. I'm a boss, you a record bitch. I make money moves.
Look at the guy over there. He's sailing.
Wow.
Whatever you want to call it. What is it called? Parasailing?
Maybe.
Oh no, that's like when you're up in the air.
Up there, so that's just sailing, right?
We out here. Where are we? Where are we again?
What?
Hop it.
You guys can't take a picture, you guys are on here.
Hop it. Bop it. Toss it.
red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both.
Okay, now I have a question.
Yes.
How do I get it?
Behind the scenes of Aurora's photo shoot.
Hold on, let me just post it. I don't help you.
Potato head.
Obama. It's Obama.
Come on, baby, though.
Oh yeah, look like crap.
I look like crap too.
We all no, we don't. We don't look like crap. Oh. We sucked so bad. They kicked us out. They kicked us out of the game.
Oh, what?
What's up, Jake Paulers? Hey, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. Swaggy. No, I'm falling off the bed. Move. Move. No. Nanook, say hi to the vlog. Nanook. He's ignoring me right now. Nanook. Hey. He's wearing a diaper. How cute is that? Right? Right, Nanook? Best part about me is my dog. Don't mind the mess, but I didn't go out today, sadly, so I guess it's the end of this vlog. What's up? I'll see you guys next vlog when I start one soon again, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm currently editing right now and stuff like that. So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment if you want to. But yeah, today's just a lazy day for me, and we're chilling. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.
If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve it. Hold up, bitches in my dime. Taking hella long, bitch, give it to me now. Make that thing pop like it's in me over 9. Ooh, baby.